guys, moving right along. In section 3, we talked about adding linear expressions. So in section 4, we're going to talk about subtracting linear expressions. It is a very similar concept, except we have to start off with an extra step. So in our first example here, we have 5x plus 4 minus 3x plus 2. Because we have this subtraction sign here, we have to distribute it into the parenthesis set that's after it. Never go in front. It's going to be distributed after the minus. So this piece here, our 5x plus 4, is going to stay the same. I'm just going to drop the parentheses. So 5x plus 4. Now, all this subtraction sign does is change the signs that come afterwards. So our positive 3x is going to become a negative, so minus 3x. And then, again, our plus 2 will become a minus 2. So now it's just like what we were doing in the last lesson. We're going to combine our like terms. So we have 5x minus 3x and 4 minus 2. So 5x minus 3x gives us a 2x. 4 minus 2 gives us a positive 2, so plus 2. Okay, take a look at the next one. Negative 4x minus 6 minus a negative x minus 3. So again, we take this minus sign, distribute it, parenthesis after it. So our negative 4x minus 6 stays the same. Then minus a negative becomes plus x. Again, changing this minus 3, we change the sign, so plus 3. Looking for our like terms, I have a negative 4x, a positive x, a negative 6, plus 3. So negative 4x plus x leaves us with negative 3x. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3, so negative 3x minus 3. I promise they're not always going to be the same numbers here. All right, a couple more examples like this. X minus 5 minus 2x minus 1. Again, go a little quicker. So x minus 5. Then we're going to change these signs. So minus 2x plus 1. Going through to find our like terms. And x minus 2x, negative 5, plus 1. X minus 2x gives us a negative x or negative 1x. Negative 5 plus 1 is minus 4. And last one like this, 6m plus 3 minus negative 4m minus 1. Distributing this subtraction sign. So we have 6m plus 3 minus our negative 4m, so plus 4m, then minus negative 1m, so plus 1. Again, we're just changing our signs because of that subtraction sign. Then we go through, we find our like terms, 6m, 4m, positive 3, positive 1, leaves us with 10m plus 4. All right, so like I said, subtracting linear expressions is the same thing as adding linear expressions. We just have to distribute that minus sign first. Okay, let's apply this to a word problem. The expression 8x plus 48.75 represents the total amount of money the soccer team earned from selling X t-shirts. Part A, if the team had to pay 2x plus $24 in expenses, write an expression to represent their profit. All right, so the team brings in 8x plus 48.75. That's how much money they collected. Now they have to pay. If you have to pay something, that means you're losing money, so we're going to subtract 2x plus 24. Okay, so there's our expression. Now we want to simplify it, so we always simplify. So we're going to distribute our negative, distribute our minus. So 8x plus 48.75 minus 2x minus 24, because we are changing the signs afterwards. And looking for our like terms, 8x, negative 2x, 48.75, and then negative 24. So 8x minus 2x gives us 6x. 48.75 minus 24 gives us plus $24.75. So there is our simplified expression to show how much money they make in profit. 6x plus $24.75. Okay, for part B, if the soccer team sold 54 t-shirts, what was their profit? All right, so we're going to bring our expression down. 6x plus $24.75. Well, we know from up above that x represents the number of t-shirts. We're told they sold 54, so we're going to substitute. So 6 times 54 plus $24.75. And 6 times 54 is 324 plus $24.75. We go ahead and add those. Get $348.75. So $348.75. All right, that's the last problem for me to do for you. Just a couple Now You tries. This problem is very similar to the problem that we just did. So you're going to write an expression and simplify it for part A, and then part B you're going to substitute given the information above. All right, guys, that's the end of lesson 4.